Welcome my dear student in digital learning class of mathematics, and today I am going to tell you how to do division of a rational number. If any two rational number is given to you, so how to divide them. So let's see first how to divide. If x is divided by y, so that means you can write it in the form of x multiplied by the reciprocal of y. So reciprocal means we need to convert numerator into denominator. So you will get y in x into 1 upon y. So if both numbers is in the form of rational number, a upon b divided by c upon d. So I need to take reciprocal of c upon d. I can write 1a upon b multiplied c upon d reciprocal. So if you take reciprocal, now you all know how to take reciprocal. So it become denominator become numerator, numerator become denominator. After then just multiply and you will find the answer. So in this series I am going to take a question number 1 of worksheet number 5. That is divide. And the very first part we have here, that is 2 upon 5 by minus 1 upon 3. So its solution we are interested to calculate. So I want to tell you here one thing. Just write it as it is written 2 upon 5 divided by minus of 1 upon 3 in this way. Next task, to take the reciprocal of second number. So you can write it 2 upon 5 multiplied by minus 1 upon 3, take its reciprocal. So after taking reciprocal, you can write numerator denominator. So it becomes 3 will go up and minus 1 will go down. In this way, if anything you can cancel out. If nothing is cancelable, so you can directly do one thing, just multiply 3 through 6, 5 1 5, but with minus sign. So in general, we need to write standard form. Minus we need in numerator, not in denominator. So you can write minus 6 upon 5. This would be your final answer. So I hope this is clear to you. So next question you have similarly. Next part, minus 7 upon 4 by 7 upon 4 by 1 upon 8. This is your second part of question number 1. Once again, as I told you, first task to write 7 upon 4, divided sign 1 upon 8, then take reciprocal of this number and put multiply sign. And this is, I am going to take 1 upon 8, its reciprocal. So it becomes 7 upon 4 multiplied by 8 upon 1. If anything you can cancel, so cancel out that. So you can cancel out here. 4 1 4, 4 2 8. You will left with 7 into 2 upon 1 into 1. So 7 2 14 with negative sign upon 1. This is your answer. So in this way, my dear students, you can find answer of any question where it is given to you. Find divide by one number to another. So let's take now your question number 2. I hope this is clear to you all. This is very easy. So let me take your question number 2. That is by taking x is equals to 3 upon 4 and y is equals to minus 5 upon 6. And we need to prove x divided by y is not equals to y divided by x. So if we are interchanging their position, so we will not get the same result. This is our task. As I told you how to start, first write what is given to you. Here x is given 3 upon 4 and y is given to you, that is equals to minus 5.6. What you are interested to prove, write that. That is to prove. To prove. You are interested to prove x divided by y is not equals to y divided by x. As I told you, take left hand side and right hand side separate. Here we'll take right hand side. Okay. Left hand side is x divided by y, and here we have y divided by x. So in simple way it is a two questions and we are going to check the answers. So x is 3 upon 4 divided by next term is minus 5 upon 6. So what to do, as I told you, take reciprocal of second one and put multiply sign. Then after taking reciprocal, we know now we can convert numerator to denominator. Anything you can cancel here, you can see we can cancel 4. 4 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. So what are the numbers left? Write all. You will get 3 into 3, 2 into minus 5. 3 3 is 9, 5 2 is 10, but negative sign. And we need to write its accurate form, so you can write it as minus 9 upon 10. This is the first part. Similarly, we'll do second part, but this time we need to write by first and x later. X is 3 upon 4. Then similarly, put multiply sign and take its reciprocal. So it becomes 5 upon 6 multiplied by 4 upon 3. If anything you can cancel out that. So you can cancel here 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. You will left with minus 5 multiplied by 2 upon 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 5 2 is 10 with minus sign. Now check both result. This result and this one. One is minus 9 upon 10, second one is 10 upon minus 9. So hence left hand side is not equals to right hand side. These are not equal, but we are able to prove now, hence verified that x divided by y is not equals to y divided by x. This is very interesting question, my dear students. So I hope this is clear to you. Once again I want to tell you, whenever you are dividing, so what are the steps required? First, write the question as such. Second, take reciprocal of second term and put multiply sign. After that, whatever you are able to cancel out that, and then multiply and find the overall answer. Thank you so much.